Hi and welcome back to Spot on Works. In this video I'm gonna show you the location and how to remove spare tire and jack kit in 2026 Volkswagen Taos. This is gonna apply to Volkswagen Taos, Volkswagen Tiguan made from 2018 and all the way up 2026. Also it will be very similar to many other Volkswagen make and models. Your spare tire is located in the trunk compartment. So you have to open it up. And now you will have to lift this cargo carpet. You can completely take it out. And right there you see your spare tire. On the right hand side you have your tools. To remove spare tire, remove this top piece, just pull it straight up. And now you will have to turn this to the left or counterclockwise. You have to remove it completely. And now you can pull out your spare tire. Now when you remove your spare tire, you can remove your jack kit. So you'll have to come closer here, pull this out, and now remove this, and now you can take your tools. You have lug nut wrench here. You have your jack, and also in this little corner you have this clip that you will use to remove those plastic lug nut covers. So basically you just want to fit it inside, twist it and pull it out. And now you have access to your lug nut. Now to remove your tire, you will have to place your jack under the vehicle, find the lifting point, to the jack you will have to attach this part, so hook it up here, and then you will have to spin this. But first you can open it up by using just your hand. Make sure you align it properly so you can lift it with your hand all the way up to the lifting point. And actually your lifting point, you can see it's right here. So you want to move it here, make sure that middle piece goes right under there. Now when this jack is touching the lifting point, then you can hook this up and you can keep lifting it up until you'll have your wheel up in the air. And then to remove your lug nuts, you will use this lug nut wrench. You simply want to align it with lug nut and then turn it to the left or counterclockwise. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye!